Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time stopping by to my channel, my name is Atuneke. Let's get right into the video. You can see I'm showing you guys how you hold this kinky hair. You won't hold it the way you hold expression braiding hair when you want to ventilate. If you hold it that way, you're going to waste a lot of hair. So you can see how I wrap the hair around my finger, then I'll start ventilating. Let me tell you guys, to ventilate kinky hair is very, I won't say easier, it's kind of difficult, not really difficult, not trying to scare you guys, but it's not easy as you ventilating expression or dialing or any other braiding hair. This kinky hair fat hair, but at last I still achieved what I wanted. So you can see what I'm doing. I didn't fast forward this side because I really want you guys to get what I'm explaining. But if I don't fast forward the other part, the video will be long. Before the video is long, but not really that long. Just grab your snacks and keep on watching. So you can see what I'm doing. I'm doing the spacing method. If I ventilate a hole, that is why I zoom it in very well, then I skip the next one, then ventilate the next one, because I want it to be very natural. If I ventilate close to each other, it will look so bulky. So that is why I'm using the spacing method. So can you see what I'm doing? This hair is actually for a client. It's actually for a client. So that is why I was in hurry to do the video. I didn't show you guys how I measure the box that I use in ventilating. I mean the section I use in ventilating. I ventilate box by box. I didn't ventilate all the closure because it's not necessary. So I just ventilate box by box. So I'm still going to upload another video where I'm going to show you guys how I achieve the length I use in achieving the box braid. How will I explain it? I'm trying to explain. You can see what I'm ventilating is like box braid. So how I achieve that measurement to be the same, don't worry, I'm still going to upload another video on that. But right now I was in hurry, so I didn't video how I was doing that from the beginning because the person really wanted the hair on time. So I just have to start it without not even showing the beginning on camera. I never wanted to even film it before. I was like, I've never had this kind of style on my channel doing kinky twist. I have kinky twist, that is headband wig, but not a full wig. So I was like, okay, let me just continue from where I stopped. Let me continue making the video, and then later I'm going to make another video on how you can measure out the box size for you to achieve your braid. I try in explaining, but I know you understand what I'm trying to explain. So after I ventilate the first section, I ventilate the second, the third, I ventilate to the fourth one. I stop on the fourth one, but I didn't space any line inside, as in from side to side. I space, like if I ventilate, I skip a hole, I ventilate. But from me ventilating on first track, I didn't skip any second or any second any second track. So I just ventilate to the next line. I hope you grab what I'm saying. I'm going to make a very detailed video on what I'm trying to say by skipping track, because it will make your work to be neat and very fast. So I'll allow you guys to keep on watching. I'm going to ventilate the triangle round. I won't ventilate the middle inside. There is nothing at the middle and no one is going to know. Just continue watching for you to see the final result of this. This came out so good. So good. So can you see I'm done? Can you see how it looks so natural? So natural. Yes. Can you see? This is a 4x4 lace closure. So after I'm done ventilating, I'll start sewing the closure on my wig cap that I'll be using. So after I'm done sewing my lace closure on my wig cap, I already started making this twist. You know, I said earlier the person really needed the air, so I started twisting off camera. Then later on she called me. She was like she wanted to add black to it. If she has already told me before that she wanted to add black to it, I will have used color black as the lace closure, but she was like she wanted all the color to be the same, so that was why I didn't use. She wanted only one color, I mean, so that was why I didn't use black as the lace closure. But right now it's kind of difficult for me, but I added black to the back, but towards the front I did not add any black because the lace closure is already another color. If the lace closure was already black before, it would be easier for me to mix color with it at the front. And she said she does not want the twist to be the same length at the back. She wants it to look like a natural. She does not want the twist to be the same, so that is why I cut into 3. I cut the hair into 3. So you can see what I'm doing now. Just crochet it, then I'll start twisting. And you can see I didn't use any marker to mark out the line. I didn't use any marker to mark it out. I already know what I'm working on. But if you're a beginner, I would advise you to use your lip liner pencil to mark out the track as I did. Sorry, as I do in my other video, but on this I didn't make use of any marker. Then I keep twisting. I keep twisting. So you can see if she wanted the hair to be the same length, I would have cut the back into 3, then cut the top into 2. But she wants the length not to be the same. She wants the one at the top. She wants it to look natural. You see what I'm trying to say at the end of the video. So when I get to the top, I'm going to crochet the excess crochet cap that I sewed to cover the black thread I used. I'm going to crochet the edge together with the wig cap, then I'll start twisting. I want to say braiding, sorry. I'll start twisting. I love to trim as I twist it to make my work very easier for me. So now we are this side, at the front side, so you're going to do the same. You can see I didn't add a lot of towards the side because the closure is going to cover those sides and I don't want it to be bulky, to be shapeless. You don't need to add a lot of it, so that is why I do the closure as I twist the closure. Also let me know the parts where I'm going to still add air. Do not worry if anywhere is peeking through. When you are done, you can actually just twist it. That one is not a problem. It's better for you to add air than making the air over too much that it will be shapeless. So now this is the closure I want to twist. Now I'll braid a little, like 3 or 4 times, then I'll start twisting. You can see what I'm showing you. I'm showing you, like, you can see that the closure really cover it. Then you can see the closure is going to cover that side. When I twist it, it's going to cover it. So that is what I'm trying to show you guys. So you can see now I want to twist it. So I used 3.5 pack of this noble I used 3 pack of this color, then I used half pack of color black. It's not much inside the pack, so don't think that is too much. No, it's not too much because this hair is very, very lightweight. So I trim as I twist. I said it earlier. So can you see the root? Oh my god, the root looks so natural. So I'm going to use these moves and oil sheen to add some shine. These moves a little like this, oh my god, it will just be all over the place. I really love these moves. I don't know what to use again, maybe the Nivea moves or this, but I really love this one a lot because a little will just be everywhere. So I'm adding some sheen to add some shine. So let's see the final look. Oh my god, this came out so beautiful. I could not do a makeup because this hair is oily. So just showing you what the hair actually looks like. So can you see, this is a kinky natural wig. Yes, nobody's going to know by the time you cut the excess lace. So this is what the back is looking like. This is how she wanted the back. So thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, subscribe, share with your loved ones, turn on the notification bell. Please subscribe if you enjoy what you're seeing, which I know you enjoy watching. Love you. See you in my next video. Stay blessed. Love you.